Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will see the difference between XLookup and index double match function. We have been using the combination of index plus double match function to do a lookup to the left, which was not possible via VLOOKUP because of its limitation. And we'll also see how this can be taken care of easily by XLookup. Let's have a look. The first example that we have got is a leftward lookup. Let's do it first using index match function. So first we are looking up here for the product against the given price equals to index. Here we will select the entire table as the array, comma. Now we will use the match function which says the lookup value. So price is our lookup value, comma. Lookup array, price exists in this array, comma. Match type will put exact match 0 bracket close, comma, another match function to look up the product. So we'll select product, comma, lookup array. We'll select the entire table header where the product exists, comma, 0 for exact match, close bracket and close bracket again. So this gives us the lookup value, smartwatch. If we change the price, we get the lookup value against price 50. Let us have a look how this can work using the XLookup function. And you can decide for yourself which one is easier for you. Equals XLookup, lookup value, which is price, comma, lookup array. Price exists in this array. So we'll select this one, comma, return array. We want the product to be returned. Straight away, we'll select the entire column of the product, close bracket, hit enter. We change the selection. Both the formula give us result. However, you can decide for yourself which one is easier for you. Let's have a look at another example where we are looking up multiple values using index match as well as using XLookup. Let's have a look. Equals index. We'll select the entire table array. We'll log this since we'll be copying down the formula to the below rows. Next, we will use match lookup value, which is my product, comma, lookup array. Product exists in this array, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, comma, another match function where my lookup value is the quantity, comma, my quantity exists in the array in the top row, the header of the column. I'll select that, I'll lock that up as well, comma, 0 for exact match, close, hit enter. Now, since I'll be copying the formula down the rows, I'll be locking my lookup value as well, which is J4 here, and locking the arrays. This is the array that I have. I have to lock this as well. Control D. I'll be just pasting the formatting to make it look good. If I change the selection, the value changes. Let's have a look how we can achieve the same result using XLookup function. Equals, first of all, the table, if you see the table, it is transposed. So in order to get the value in the same sequence, one below the other, we have to use the transpose function here. Then XLookup, lookup value is my product name, lookup array is my product array, comma, the return array. Since I want the quantity, price, and discount to be returned, I'll select these three columns, close bracket, close another bracket, hit enter. Isn't this easy? Now, if you do not want to use the transpose function, then the lookup value has to be arranged one after the other. Let's have a look. XLookup. Lookup value is my product name. Lookup array is my product range, comma. Return array is the entire selection for quantity, price, and discount. Close bracket, hit enter. You can decide for yourself which makes your life easier. Clearly, XLookup makes things very easy. We'll catch you all in another video with more functionalities and comparison in Excel to make your work easier. Thanks for watching, guys.